This is what your desktop will look like after end of this video. A clean modern setup inspired by Tokyo Night desktop using Rainmeter, all built using Rainmeter and fully customizable to your mesh vibe. Let's transform your desktop right now and give your desktop a whole new look. Step by step I'll show you how to use this Tokyo Night theme on your Windows computer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the best and coolest desktop setup out there. This theme is called Tokyo Night desktop theme powered by Rainmeter Windows. If you into a cyberpunk vibes, minimal design and total control over your setup, you're gonna love this setup. Let's get into it. So first thing, you have to install this software called Rainmeter. Just double click on it, click on OK, and then click on next, and then click on install, and then click on yes. So all download links are given on my DeviantArt page, just check it out. Okay, after installation you need to unload this default skin. Right click on it and then click on unload skins. And now here you can see the Tokyo Night desktop theme folder. In here see these two wallpaper. You can use whatever you want, just select one of them and click on set desktop background. And now we need to install the Rainmeter skin. Just double click on Rainmeter folder, and here you can see the Lampo skin. Just double click on it and then click on install, and just close it and close this dialog box as well. And now we need to align our white gate. Just drag and drop wherever you want to place it. And now we need to, if you want to reduce the size of this white gate, just scroll down and it will reduce the size of this white gate, and if you scroll up it will increase the size of this white gate. And now we need to use another Rainmeter skin. Go to Rainmeter skin, and here you can see the visualizer. Just copy this visualizer and go to documents folder, go to Rainmeter and go to skins, and then paste it here. And then now click this hidden tray icon and open Rainmeter and then refresh it. Here you can see the visualizer. Just click on it and expand this visualizer folder, and then click visualizer and then click on load. So it will load the visualizer. Okay, so visualizer has been placed. Now we need to install the dock. Here you can see the Nexus dock. So before we install the dock, we need to do go to this dock file. Here you can see the icon folder. Just copy this icon folder, and then you need to go to this PC and go to C drive and paste it here. And then click on replace. If you see this option, you can click on and now we need to install the dock. Here you can see the Nexus dock. Just double click on it, and here you can see the Nexus setup, and then click on yes, and then click on OK, and then click on install. And then mark these boxes launch Nexus, and then click on finish, and then click on this Nexus icon, and then go to advanced setting, and then click on this restore section and click on desktop and go to Tokyo Night theme folder, go to dock file, and here you can see the dock backup file. Just select that backup file and then click on apply and then OK. And now you can place this white gate whatever you want. And for more minimalist and clean looks, just hide this desktop icon. So there you have it, in the Tokyo Night desktop for Windows, a perfect mix of style and simplicity powered by Rainmeter. If you like this setup, hit the like button, subscribe for more customization, and let me know the comment what theme you want next. All download links are given on my DeviantArt profile. Just check them out and go make your desktop looks amazing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative, stay customized.